Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use GitHub from Windows Git. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to my GitHub account. This is my GitHub account and I'm going to make a repository. Repository name Windows Git, and I want to make it private. It depends on you. You can make it public. So I'm going to change directory cd Windows Git, and if I see inside this repository there's nothing, so I can make it a directory from Windows Git repository, and command is mkgir, and you have to give a repository name. I'm giving a repository name new dir. If I see again ls, so we are seeing already created a new directory, new dir, and also we can make a file, either a text or doc file. We can create. So command is touch. You use this touch new file.txt. We check this. Already we created a new directory and new text file. So we can add this file in my GitHub repository. If we see our GitHub repository, if I see our GitHub repository, so see, it has nothing. Actually, it has nothing. But our local repository, already we created a directory and also a text file. But what should we do? We have to add, and we have to commit, and we have to push those things from our local repository to our GitHub repository. So now git add, already I added those things, and we have to commit, git commit added one repo and file, and finally we have to push those things from our local repository to our GitHub repository. Git push origin main. So alright, if we back to our GitHub account, yes, already a repository and a text file already added to our GitHub repository. So alright, if you feel stuck, you can see this documentation, and you can read command, you can copy command from here, and also you can see the screenshot. So don't worry. Okay, let's move the terminal again. So I'll show you how to delete a repository and how to delete a file. Command is rmdir and my repository name. We see this. So already I deleted my new GIR repository, and only new file.txt left. And also we can delete this file. So it's very easy. rm file name, new file.txt. We see. So already we deleted everything, nothing is here. If we have back to our GitHub, but already we deleted everything from our local folder or local repository, but still those files are in my GitHub. So what should we do? We have to add, we have to commit, and we have to push our latest update from our local repository to our GitHub repository. Then it will be updated. So I'm going to back my git command line and write git add git commit delete everything and git push. And now if we see my GitHub repository, and nothing is here. So and now I'm going to make another file that new file.txt, and I want to write something here. This is my first repo. I changed it and I create a file here, but still I didn't push it from my local repository to my GitHub repository. So if I back to my repository, nothing is here. So what should we do? Yes, keep in mind every time when we change something, we have to add, we have to commit, and we have to push. So we have to add those changes. Git add and git commit. File added. Git push origin main. Yes, now finally our repository, GitHub repository up to date. And if I see this text file, yes, this is my first repo. We have only one branch here, main branch. If we check this, which branch, git branch, it's showing only main branch are here, but we can create another branch. Okay, I'm creating a new branch, git branch, new branch name, so new branch name. Check again, git branch. So we're seeing now we have two branches, main branch and new branch. We can change this branch, main branch to new branch. So we check out new branch. Check out new branch. That's already changed our branch. So if I back to my repository, we can see only one branch is here, but in my local repository we created two branches, but still our GitHub repository didn't update, so we have to add commit and push. That's very easy. Add git commit new branch added git push origin branch name new branch. Alright, if we refresh our GitHub repository, we can see two branches, main branch and new branch. But our main branch has a new text file, but our new branches is empty. So we can pull new file from our main branch to a new branch. So git pull main. git pull raising main. Yes, already up to date, and we can write something here. This is my new branch here, and git add git commit new branch text added git push raising branch. So now if we back to the repository, we can see two branches. We can see two branches or main branches as a file, new text file, new file. This is my first repo, and if we see our other branches, this is my new branch here. But if we notice our main branches text file has only one sentence, which I added before. If we want to update this file, and if you want to merge this file to our another branch, we have to merge those branches. So we can merge it from here. It merge my main branches with new branches. Now we have to write git add git commit merge added git push raising main. If we refresh our GitHub repository, now we can see. So this is the process. If you feel stuck, you can read my GitHub documentation. I will give this link in my tutorial description. So that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.